In this tutorial, I'm going to show you another feature that the new OS has added, and this is the ability to play samples that are previously loaded as a patch without even going through the multi-sample edit screens or creating a patch specifically for that sample. It reduces a lot of steps, especially if you're wanting to quickly play a sample from your internal sample memory in order just to audition the sample, or maybe you have just a single note sample like a guitar sound or maybe a keyboard sound that you just quickly want to use. And to access this new feature, very simply, first all you're going to do is make sure that in your sample list you want to make sure and have your samples loaded that you want to use. And then we're going to exit out and go back to patch rhythm mode, and then simply press the F1 key. And from here, if we scroll all the way down on the tabs by pressing F2 and go all the way to the bottom, there's a couple different tabs here. If you'll notice, there's user sample and card sample. Now if you have these samples loaded to the user slots, these will appear here. So next we're just going to scroll down, and I'm going to choose one of the drum sounds to play. Go ahead and select this tom sound, and then just press F8 to select it. And now you'll notice that the name of the sample is actually appearing as it's being played directly from the internal sample memory. And if I press the keys, you can hear that sample is being played in chromatic scale. So that's a quick, easy way that's very useful for quickly playing a sample as a patch in patch mode.